Hello everyone, my name is Ridho Sandiro Atmojo. For for my present project on study case, I have four case study. I will share fiction. Wait a minute. Okay, case study and analysis. First is case study one. Compound noun and 10 examples. One is there is a toothpaste. Analysis. Tooth is a noun and pass is a noun. This is not just a separate tooth and part. It refers to a specific substance, the past used for cleaning teeth. The evidence you can see in product packaging, example in Colgate or Crest, and example product slogan is the toothpaste that gives you the teeth clean feeling every single day. And number two is a smartphone. Smart is adjective and phone is noun. It's no longer a point that happens to be smart. Smartphone has become a new category of mobile computing device. You can see in product advertisement, it's Apple or Samsung. Yeah, and the example slogan is Beyond Smart, our new smartphone on issue portable genius. Next is credit card. Credit is a noun and card is noun. Not general credit and general card, but a specific plastic card that functions as a credit payment instrument. Evidence is financial service advertisement. You can say Visa, MasterCard, and the slogan is the credit card that rewards every purchase everywhere. Next is software, number four. Soft, it adjective and where is noun. A blend of soft and where, goods or wares. It refers to the non-physical programs and data for a computer distinct from hardware. The evidence, you can say technology news and advertisement. Is and because I download our latest software. This is a product slogan. Get the software that powers creativity gets adopted. Next, it's a coffee shop. Coffee is noun and shop is noun. Not just shop that sells coffee like a supermarket. It refers to a specific establishment where coffee is brewed and served. The evidence is business names, Starbucks, local coffee shop, and the slogan is welcome to your new favorite coffee shop, where every cup feels like home. Next is sorry. Next is ice cream. Ice is noun and cream is noun. Not spelled as and cream, but a specific frozen dishes made from a mixture of both. The evidence you can say food packaging. Ben and Jerry's, Haagen-Dazs, and the product slogan is pure in indulgence. This isn't just ice cream, it's a moment of joy. Next is washing machine. Washing is verb and machine is noun. Now the machine that's currently washing. The word machine from the wash acts to describe the purpose of the machine. It's a machine for washing. The evidence you can say the electronic product label is maybe in LG, Samsung, Ridho. The slogan is our new washing machine, smarter, faster, and cleaner than ever. And the last one is so next is website. Web is noun and site is noun. A blend of web referring to the World Wide Web and site Location, it refers to a specific digital location on the internet. Evidence is all digital efforts. You can say, visit our website for more details. Follow slogan is build a website that works as hard as you do. Next, it's headquarters. Head is a noun. Quarters is a noun. Not literally head and quarters. This is a term meaning the main office or primary command center. The evidence you can see at the business news articles. Amazon announced its new corporate headquarters. Blah 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 blah. Slogan example slogan is find the perfect location for your new business headquarters. The next is food processor. Food is a noun and processor is noun. Not a computer processor and food is a specific tool whose function is to process food. The evidence you can see the kitchen appliance, packaging, at the kitchen out, kitchen aid, and the example for the solid is chop, slice, and dice in second. The ultimate food processor for use. Okay, next is compound adjective and five examples. First, here is long lasting. Long is adjective and lasting is verb. From long and lasting, it describes something that endures for a long time. You can see the evidence at the cosmetic ads. They say long lasting lipstick, and at the Beatles ad, she say long lasting power. Next is eco-friendly. Eco is noun, friendly is adjective. From eco, environment, and friendly, it describes a product that is not harmful to the environment. The hyphen is crucial for clarity. The evidence you can share products label often on packaging. Our new eco-friendly packaging. Next is a sugar-free. Sugar is noun and free is adjective. From sugar-free, it describes a product that doesn't contain sugar, essential for nutritional labeling. The evidence you can see at food and beverage labels. Example is Coke Zero and maybe sugar-free gum. The next is high speed. High is Hike is adjective and speed is noun. From hike and speed, it describes a service or product that operates at high speed. The evidence is internet service at, they say high speed internet of and transportation, maybe in trains. He says high speed trains. The last one is last minute. Last is adjective and minute is noun for describing the decision over a change that occurs just before the deadline. Without the hyphen, the meaning can be ambiguous. The evidence you can say was to English. Compound adjective plus noun type. Uh, it's book your last minute getaway now and save up to 50%. Next is case study 2. In case study 2, select 5 English idioms commonly used in professional or daily. This is my 5 idioms. First is break the ice. The literal meaning is basically breaking it is to open apart, and figurative meaning is the doing or saying something to make people feel more comfortable in social situations. Context used in social events, interview, or meetings to make others feel comfortable. And the communicative value, it creates a friendly and open atmosphere. You can do evidence at this link. The next is bite ballet. The literal meaning is to literal ballet, and figurative meaning to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. The context is used when someone decides to do something they have been avoiding. Communicative value expresses bravery and determination. You can see the villains at the link. Wait, okay, this. Next is once in a blue moon. Blue time meaning is when the moon actually turns blue, but the blue figurative meaning is something that happens very rarely. The context is used when describing her events, and the communication value highlight how common something is. This is the evidence. The next is let the cat out of the bag. The determining is to literally let a cat escape from the bag, but the prerogative to reveal a secret accidentally or too early. The context is used when someone exposes a surprise or confidential information, and the communicative value it shows that something was revealed unexpectedly. Next, it hit the books. It's to basically hit a stack of books, but forget to start studying seriously. Context often is among studies before exams or study sessions, and the communication value encourage someone to begin studying. This link. Next, case study 3. Study 3. Find 5 binomial expressions. This is my binomial. First is pros and cons. Structure is pros is noun and its conjunction or connector and cons is noun. Semantic relationship is antonyms. The words represent concept, advantage, and disadvantage. Connector is and. In a sentence, we look at the finest pros and cons of the deals. Next is seek and thrive. The seek is adjective and a connector and connection and thrive is adjective. Semantic relationship. Intensive synonyms. The word are near synonyms used together to express a stronger, more intense feeling of being filled up, or extremely annoyed. The sentence is, I'm sick and tired of all this lily livered dancing behind closed door. You can see the sentence at this, this room. Next is hustle and bustle. Hustle is noun and is conjunction as bustle is noun. It is highlights concept framing. This word are not exact synonyms but refer to the same idea. A large amount of busy, noisy activity. Their pairing is strengthened by the rain. Sentence is we all need a break from the hustle and bustle of our daily life. Next is odds and ends. Odds is a noun and conjunction and ends is a noun. Freelance concept miscellaneous. Display refers to a collection of smiles, mis- miscellaneous or leftover items that are not easily categorized. Sentences I took most of the big things to the new house, but there are a few odds and ends left to pick up. Next is sooner or later. Sooner is adverb, and or its conjunctions. Later is adverb. It is antonyms used for inevitability and despair use opposite concept of time to convey the meaning that something will happen at some point in the future. It is inevitable. Sentence is sooner or later she's going to realize what mistakes she made. Next is case study 4. The last case study. It's choose for 5 similes. Here is my 5 similes. First, oh my love is like a red rose. Love is compared a red rose, and the connector word is like. Every imagery, this simile is famous for its simple, powerful imagery. The effect is one of intense, pure, and beautiful romance. By comparing his love to a red rose, Burns immediately evokes images of beauty, passion, the color red, and freshness newly sprung in June. It's not just any rose, it's a red rose, emphasizing the deep, vibrant, and perfect nature of his love. You can see the videos in Google, wherever you can type red rose. It's from Robert Burns. Next is what I wandered lonely as a cloud. I compared a cloud and the connected world is on us. There is a visual of aimless, detached, and floating isolations merging the speaker from the ground world below. And it is essential for setting the poem is signature mode of solitude. The detachment provides a crucial contrast to the overwhelming joy discovered later with the crowd of the video. You can see this, the evidence. I Was Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth. Next is Old Merely was as dead as a doornail. Dead, compared a doornail. The connector is as blood. And imagery blunt, absolute, and slightly comical image of complete, irreversible finality associated with an inanimate object. And the emphatic nature leaves no doubt about Marley's death. They can use this certainly to heighten the supernatural shock and horror when Marley returns as a ghost. You can see at Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. All Mary was as dead as a doornail. Next is like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Is from at first sitting State Farm. State Farm compared a good neighbor, and the connected word is like. Evokes an image and feeling of trust, reliability, and helpful physical presence, like a friendly person next door. A brilliant branding tool that humanizes the corporation. It sells an abstract feeling of security by associating the complex service with a simple, dependable personal relationship. This iconic slogan and jingle for the insurance company is from State Farm. And the last one is she was bushy as a bee. Woman, she is compared to bee. Connected word is us. As bushy as bee, confesses than often and hardworking energy. And the bee composition help readers connect to the how know of activity and delegates. Thank you for listening. See you.